Hello, hi, how you doing? Hope all is well. I'm good, thank you very much. Welcome back to my channel, and for all my new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing and sticking with me. It's a brand new year. I know it's the 1st of February, but I've been away and I haven't made a video for, is it just over a month now. So I'd like to wish you a happy new year, and I hope that it'll be very prosperous for you this year. Now, as I said, it's a new year, and I've started to plan now. I've had this, it's a mini happy planner that I've had in my stash for a very long time. It's undated, and I think it was a 2017 to 2018, and this was the covers for them. I think this is You Got This collection, and it's the Dream Big, Start Small. I took the covers off and I made my own cover, as you can see, and I'm really loving that. And also I made the back, and the inside matches the back, as you can see. I wanted something a bit more brighter and uplifting, so that's that. And I really want to get organized, not that I'm not organized, but stay more focused. So once I have my planner, and it's an all-round planner where I've got my personal, myself, home, any projects that needs getting done, and all the everyday stuff, phone calls, emails and so forth, I really need to get it into this planner. So that's that. I've tried to decorate it for a little bit, and I've still got a few more bits to do, and it's getting thicker now. So I've ordered some new metal discs for, I think it's the classic, the 1.25 inches classics. So when they arrive, I'll do another video how I'll be putting them on, and letting you know whether the size that I chose is the right size. But I do believe it's the right size, because this is the mini, then they've got the medium, they call the medium, and the classic, I think it's the same, which is, it's 1.25 inches, and then the next one up is the 1.75 inches. So fingers crossed, once I get those discs, I'll be doing another video. So in the meanwhile, I've got these folders are really nice, and I'm going to put some photos in there, and it's going to be really inspirational, because I just need that in my life. I need some uplifting, motivational, I have to be in that kind of surrounding, so that is my focus right now. And these are little wallets, and you get those in the mini. These are what you get, and they're it's 12 sheets, and it's 6 sheets of each design. So that one's got the big one in the middle, and this one on the end has got the big one below. The big one's below. So I'm going to fill it in gradually, but I've started with the hello, and then on the opposite side it says make today count, and I really like that. So that's that, and it's just so easy to get in. But I've noticed since I've been filling it out, it's getting a bit packed, so I definitely need the discs, the new discs. And here is my dashboard. I used a piece of acetate, and made my dashboard, and I may decorate the back here, but it's plain. This is my notes page, so I'm going to put a header for notes here, so anything that needs, you know, jotting down, it's more or less right at the front. So you've got the dashboard here, which I can jot down quickly and then transfer them over to the notes if I'm going to keep them. Then I made this as well. It says all you need is love, and it's a pocket. I made the pocket. These are just some personal things I've got here. I made a pocket there, and I'm really pleased with that. Love that. I'll just turn those over. So I've got these things that needs placing in the plan at some point in their right home, and I've stuck these in here. But this pocket is for like coupons, vouchers and stuff for the supermarket, and you know, bits and pieces, because I will be taking this planner everywhere I go. And then we've got the hello. This mini happy planner belongs to, and I've put my name Jazzy, and I've put these together. This was a 2017 and 18 calendar overview, and I've put them together because obviously I don't need them. And this is the first dashboard for February, because I'm starting obviously in February because January's gone now. And with the dashboard, I'm not quite sure what I want to do with the dashboard. I mean, it's got important dates here, which I think the important dates will actually go into my weekly planning pages. And it's got birthdays here, and I'm not quite sure if I'm going to need that. I might keep the birthdays actually, because my grandson's birthday is this month, the 16th, so I may keep that. That might come in handy. And then another grandson is in March, so yeah, I think the birthdays can keep. And it's got the currently here, which is reading, planning, watching, cooking, eating, drinking, going, loving, dreaming, listening, celebrating. And I'm not quite sure if I want to keep this. I think this part of it will be an inspirational page where I put motivational quotes and so forth there. I might keep the remember, but I'm not sure. But I really do think, apart from the birthdays that I'm definitely going to keep, I think I'm going to cover this with inspirational quotes, things that inspire me, basically. So I think that's what I'm going to do with the dashboards on every month. The dashboards on every month, I think I'm going to cover them with motivational and inspiring stuff. And then we've got here February dashboard. We've got every day is a fresh start. And we've got the month of February to fill, and then you've got your weekly pages here. Yep, so that's for February, and I made this as well, so whatever page I'm on, I can stick that down. I have noticed that it didn't quite laminate properly in between here. I'm thinking whether the laminating sheets that I do have are getting old, and they are cheapy ones, so I may invest in some Scotch and see how that goes. I have got a new laminating machine, which is the Fellows. I might do a video on that as well. I'm really happy with it, but I think that the laminating sheets that I have got are getting old. Is there such thing? Does laminating sheets get old? But, oh, they're the cheapy ones that is just not holding on to built up stuff. If it's not flat like this, then it's not going to hold on to it. So I might invest in some Scotch ones and see how that goes. So this is really handy, so whatever page I'm on, I'll just put it there. And then I've kept 7 months of the year, February to July. What, 6 months now, isn't it? February, March, April, May, June, July, 6 months. So I've got 6 months in here, and I think I'm going to keep it like that because I don't want it too bulky. And if I've got any dates that's gone over that, then they'll definitely go into important notes, which, you know, I've got one at the back here, important things to keep, which is very important things to keep. So I think I'll keep it at the back there. So that being said, that's the months. So I'm up to July with the months. Then I have my dashboards, which I made these. They're not the best of tabs. These ones are nice because they're die cut. So I die cut the tabs out, the gold ones, as you can see. And I just stuck the names of the dividers there. And this one's home, so I've got, in the home, I've got my shopping list. I made this as well. So once I write my shopping list, I can wipe them off and then start again. So I don't need to be wasting a lot of paper for shopping. So that's home folder, and that's for the shopping. And this is finance. This is all the finance that will be going on in the home. And then, yeah, so I've got the finance, the bills, savings, cash envelopes here. And then I have the upkeep of the home, which will be repairs, DIYs, decorating, buying for the home. And I think I might do a meal plan in the home as well. I've got the shopping list there. So that's really the upkeep. I call it the upkeep, that folder. So now I've got my projects, and I'm hoping that I can get an Etsy shop once I get myself sorted out, and see how that goes. I'd like a website as well, maybe to do some blogging. I'm not sure, but I'll see. So that's that. That's the projects that I'll have running. And then you've got the me page, which all this is me. It's personal, with all my personal stuff. So I may want to, I'm gonna jot down my exercise, my goals, my water intake, monitor going out on my own, and try and get an all-round health regime going. Self-care and purchasing. So self-care, my hair, vitamins, my body, personal care, and yeah, so, and I'll just elaborate on that more if need be. And this one now, I definitely need the rings. Definitely, it's got fat now, so this one is important things to remember, as I said earlier on. So I'll just keep things that I need to remember, which is important. And I call this the private and personal folder, which I'll have my up-to-date contact details, family details, pins for my internet interests, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and my iPad and stuff like that. So that's what I have there. And then I made this as well. My sub-tabs are not that great, but they're functioning for now. I'm happy with them. As long as I'm happy with them, that's all that counts. And I made this one as well. And as I said, I think the laminating sheets are getting old now, because this is, it's like it's got air in it. So I might have to redo that at some point. And this is what I used. It says, and so the adventure begins, and I'm really happy with that. And that's that. So I'm really hoping to get motivated and stay focused this year, and I think my new word for this year is determined, because I need to be determined. What I say, I've got to, you know, mean it, because sometimes, you know, you say things and you don't live up to it. I really would like to try to be determined and live up to what I say. So that's that, and I hope you like this, and I know this planet is going to make me very happy. I've got some sticker books, and family in America is sending me over some more. So because today's the 1st, I'm going to do my first planning and decorating on Sunday the 3rd. So I'm going to use what I have at the moment and try and get out some more stickers and use those. So I'd like to thank you so much for watching, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe and hit the bell for when I upload more videos. But as I said, I'm really gonna get into my planning now, serious times, because most of the time I'm stuck at home and I really need to start getting out, and you know, I'm gonna take baby steps, and maybe even video, you know, just to keep my company, because sometimes I need to make a call if I feel that I'm starting to get anxious, and just to distract me from it, sometimes I make a call to a family member or friend, and we'll have a chat just to distract me from the anxiety. But perhaps maybe I'll video it, because that's company as well. I will feel as though I'm talking to somebody. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, again, thank you so much, and take care of your good selves, and I'll catch you back real soon. Bye for now. Bye-bye.